Hi guys, and thanks for joining me here at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks. So today I want to talk to you about your 401k or 403b and how you can maximize it. And when I talk about maximizing, I'm talking about making sure that you are depositing money in there that is going to be beneficial for you. So in some companies, not all of them, but in most companies, the employer matches the employee's contribution up to a certain percentage. In a lot of companies, it's like 3%. Some companies even go up to 5%. But either way, this right here is basically free money. Why is it free money? Because it didn't come out of your pocket. You put in your share and then they matched your share. So basically, if you make $1,000 a month, and your company says, hey, we're going to match your contribution up to 3%. And you say, all right, well, if you're going to match it up to 3%, I'll put in $30 a month. And then they put in their $30 a month. And then you have $60 a month going into your 401k or 403b. Now, what does that mean for you? Well, basically it means that you didn't have to come up with that other $30 that they put in there. So you basically got a free $30 put into your retirement. So at the end of the year, you have deposited you have gotten your share withdrawn out of your account, your $360 withdrawn out of your account and put into your 401k. They have added their $360 to your $360, and now at the end of the year, you have $720 and you only put in $360. So that right there, my friends, is optimizing or maximizing your 401k or 403b. And why not do that? Because like I said in the beginning, that is free money. Free money, I love free. Love free. How about you? So I hope you like this video. Please make sure that you like it, share it with your friends and family. And if you're not already a part of the Financial Spotlight family, we'd love to have you. Go ahead and join us by clicking on the subscribe button right there in the corner. And make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you know when I am going to post here again every single week at the Financial Spotlight. Thanks for joining me. Bye.